Yeah, and taxes leads us into IRA mistake number 4. Sometimes people forget about the QCD option.
The QCD option is a huge option. It's one of the benefits of turning 70 and a half. And that by itself is confusing because we just talked about required minimum distribution age now for most people being age 72, but at 70 and a half, you are eligible to do what we call a qualified charitable distribution. And a lot of people will forget about this. We have a very charitably inclined country. There's a lot of people contributing to your church or other qualified charities, but prior to 70 and a half, most people are doing that from their checking or savings account. At 70 and a half, now you have the option to do it from your IRA account. So you can take, let's say, going back to your example, your required minimum distribution is $12,000. You can donate whatever you want to your charity. Let's say it's $2,000. That will go to help suffice the $12,000 mandate, and you do not have to pay any taxes on that $2,000 that you sent to the charity. If you didn't do that, then you're paying taxes. And we do have a quick example. Let's walk you through what this really looks like. So in this particular example, you're retired, 24% tax bracket, your charitable distribution is $5,000. So prior to turning age 70 and a half, every single year you were contributing $5,000, let's say, to your church. But at 70 and a half, if you don't switch over to a qualified charitable distribution, you're mandated to take a distribution out, either for you it's at 70 and a half or for most people 72, then you're going to pay $1,200 on that $5,000 distribution. So that's $1,200. All you had to do was switch your contribution, your charitable contribution, to a qualified charitable distribution, and that's $1,200 that you would have saved on federal tax. So that's one of the benefits that a lot of people have. Once they turn 70 and a half, they don't necessarily have to be RMD age, just switch from the IRA, from your checking and savings account, and it can save you a bundle in taxes, but still suffice the RMD.
In the QC, another confusing part, we get families calling in all the time wanting to know exactly how it works, how to best take advantage of that. So it's another piece that we want to help, that we're helping our families be aware of and administer as part of their retirement plan.
Yeah, there's gotchas with the QCD too, because the check has to be made payable to the charity.
Okay, from the IRA.
From the IRA. So when you're doing it from the IRA, if you receive the money first, you can't do the QCD with that money. The check has to be made payable to the charity. You can receive the check and take it to the charity, or you can have the check mailed directly to the charity. You cannot take receipt, constructive receipt of those dollars.
So what do? You call your IRA custodian, tell them you want to make a QCD, and then they're familiar with this process and know how to do that then?
Yeah, your IRA custodian will have special paperwork. It's their paperwork. You will have to complete that. They'll ask you these types of questions, and then they'll make sure that it's facilitated the right way. Thank you for watching this clip of Retiring Today, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have questions about your retirement plan, take advantage of the complimentary 15-minute retirement checkup phone call.